These are the elevators here at the Westin.
We're doing a project.
Oh, what project?
Alright, this is an Otis.
Is Otis a good one?
Uh-huh. Pretty much the longest elevator company that's ever been around.
Oh, really?
Actually, one of the first ones, too.
What's the name of another elevator company?
Dover, Antis, and Krupp. There's actually more.
Okay, that's cool. Did you ever go into one of those that they have,
Yeah.
like, the wheels or, like...
Nah.
No? Okay.
Have a good day. This is an Otis. I wonder... We had a Dover call button impulse, which was really strange. Oh. Stop it.
Alright, you want to get off or no?
I'm gonna get up here.
I'll make sure.
And then we can take a different one down. See, look at that.
Yeah, let us up, they'll let us down.
Okay. See, we got a
It'll-
impulse.
We didn't need a key to go up, so.
Yeah. I think it's this one right here that we might get. Oh, yeah, this one. Again. Jeez, rough
We're
start.
doing a project on elevators.
Going down? What floor are you going to?
The bottom.
Lobby.
Lobby.
This is for 2.
Let the people up. No, we're only on 2.
There you go. Have a good day.
No, go ahead. Thank you. You good?
Yep, we're good.
Yeah, cool.
That's it.